All right, today we're diving into something bigger than real estate. This is really about how markets change. What you're looking at is called open access, the market framework. And the key idea here is simple. We're moving from thinking about markets as static to understanding them as behavior shifts in motion. This isn't just theory, it's already happening. This is Steve Colino, and this is Confidential Remarks. Let's start here because this is the foundation. This is not a static market anymore. It's a behavior shift market. For a long time, real estate ran on fixed systems, set commissions, controlled information, limited consumer choice. But now, that's breaking. Consumers want transparency. They expect to do things online. They're questioning fees. And they're way more sensitive to value. So the real question isn't how big is the market anymore. It's how fast are people changing. This next shift is huge. The old model was about capturing the customer, locking them into a system, controlling the process. The new model? It's about control in the hands of the consumer. People want options. They want visibility. They want flexibility. And that flips the entire strategy. Because now the winner isn't the one who owns the most territory. It's the one who gives the most control. Now let's zoom out. This is the total addressable market, the entire ecosystem. We're talking millions of transactions, hundreds of billions in commissions. But here's the important insight. The opportunity isn't some small niche. The system itself is the opportunity. And who's actually part of this? It's everyone. Buyers and sellers who want lower costs, agents who want flexibility, anyone demanding transparency in transactions. This isn't just about transactions, it's about a growing desire for choice. That's the thread connecting everything. But not everyone changes at the same time. This is the ready segment, the people already leaning in. Think price-sensitive sellers, investors doing lots of deals, tech-comfortable consumers, agents looking for new income models. These are the early signals of where the market is going. This slide is one of the most telling. Consumers today don't want a single, rigid option. They want a spectrum. Do it yourself. Do it with help done for you. It's the same way we live everywhere else now. And real estate is finally catching up to that expectation. This is where momentum starts. You don't need the whole market. You need the early adopters. Over a 3 to 5 year window, a small group drives awareness, adoption, and growth. That's how real change happens. Not all at once, but as a wave. So where do you focus? Not everywhere. You go where the pain is strongest. High-cost markets, investor-heavy regions, early adopters, people already searching for alternatives. Because that's where change happens fastest. This ties it all together. At the bottom, you have the entire market. In the middle, the people ready for change. At the top, the early adopters who drive everything forward. Influence builds upward. And this is the shift, from chasing market size to understanding behavior momentum. This is the part most people miss. Open access isn't about taking market share. It's about redefining what the market expects, because once expectations change, everything else follows. And this is where we land. Control, transparency, adoption. The market isn't waiting around. The shift is already happening. The only real question is, who builds the platform that enables it? That's the game. This has been Confidential Remarks.